Find the area bounded by the curve y equal square root of x minus 1, the x-axis, the line y equal 5. Please pause the video, try to do it yourself, see if you can. Otherwise, just watch how I do it. So first of all, we know that y equals square root of x, the graph is like this. Now if you're not sure what it looks like, now y equals square root of x and square both sides, that means y square equal x. Now remember, y equal x square is like this. So y equal x square and x equal y square, so graph is just like this, that's all. Because it's square root of x, so this is the top half, and then this is negative square root of x. So at the moment we are looking at that. Because of square root of x minus 1, so we just need to move 1 to the right. So the graph is like this. And then it's between the curve and x equal 5. So the area is bounded by this to the curve and this line. So this is what we're looking for. So therefore, area is equal to integration between 1 to 5 and then x minus 1, now square root of x, so which is, I write to in index form first, so which is 1 to 5 x minus 1 all power of a half. Now to integrate this, of course, we add 1 to the power, so which is x minus 1. So add 1 to this, it's just like 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3 over 2. Then you divide by 3 over 2. So you divide by 3 over 2. Now remember, a over b divided by, let's say, c over d, and what do we do? We flip this fraction here and become multiply. So which is a over b times by d over c. a over b times d over c. So what we need to do is just divide by 3 over 2, it just flip, so become 2 over 3. And then divide by the differentiation of the bracket, so which give me, differentiate this, which give me 1. So it's just times by 1. So which equal to 2x minus 1, 3 over 2, all over 3. And of course, from 1 to 5. And of course, this is from 1 to 5 as well. So now I just substitute the value in. So which give me 2 lots of 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 power 3 over 2 minus, of course, over 3. And now I substitute 1 in. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So the whole lot is 0. And that give me, now remember, 4 power 3 over 2, 4 is 2 square. And then what happened is 3 over 2, it's just right, 3 over 2, you time together, give me 2 power 3, which is 8. Otherwise, just use calculator. So give me 8 times 2 is 16 over 3. So which give me 5 and 1/3 square units. I just put u square. Again, please try to do this one yourself. Otherwise, just watch how I do it. So first of all, I write this in a factor form first. So I factorize this. So what time this is minus, so we put 1 plus, 1 minus straight away. So what time what give me 2? The difference is 1. So 2 and 1. But because of this positives, the bigger number on the positive side, 2 and 1. So to do this, so we just do a quick sketch. So y equal x squared plus x minus 2. So we know that is negative 2 is a intercept, and then 1 as well. And then it's concave upward. So we just do this. So this is it. So they want us to find the area of this. So between 2 and 1, minus 2 and 1, and also x equal to 2 as well. So therefore, we need to find all this area. So we can name this area 1 and this is area 2. So first of all, we know that area 1 is negative. Okay, so don't forget underneath of x-axis. So therefore area is negative. So which is A1 is equal to integration between -2 to 1 x squared plus x minus 2 dx. So which give me, integrate this, which is x power 3 divided by 3 or 1/3 of that. It's the same thing, plus x squared and divided by 2, so it's the same as a half of that. So minus 2x. So now all the way from -2 to 1. So I just substitute the value in. 1/3 of 1 power 3, 1 power 3 is 1, so 1/3 of that is still the same, 1/3. Plus, substitute 1 in, give me a half, substitute 1 in, -2. Bracket, minus, now I substitute -2 in. So -2 power 3 is -8. So which is one-third of -8. Plus -2 squared is 4, so half of 4 is 2. Minus half of -2, so become +4. And close bracket. So I just write on this side, sorry I ran out of space. I just clear this first, so I can write on here. So which is A1 is equal to, because 2 plus 2 is 6. So I just put 6 rather than 2 plus 2, it's simple. So I just put exactly the same. I put in the calculator. The result is negative 9/2, which is -4.5. Otherwise, just shift SD. So the answer is -4.5. So which is -4.5. So therefore, area 1 is equal to 4.5 square unit. Now what we need to do is to find area 2. So area 2 is equal to the integration of this function here, of course the same. I already did it, so we just copy the integrations out, so easier. So we already did it, so we don't have to redo. So just copy that out first. Add a half x squared minus 2x from 1 to 2 this time, because it's area 2. So 1 to 2, which give me, I substitute 2 in. So 2 power 3 is 8, so 1/3 of 8, or 8/3, I just write 8. And then plus 2 squared is 4, half of 4 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, so -4 out. And this one, take away, substitute 1 in, so 1 is just the same, so which give me 1/3 plus a half minus 2. And I just put this in the calculator, which give me 1/3 of 8. So I just go 1/3 of 8, I times by 8, and then minus, because 2 plus -4 is -2. I just -2 minus bracket. All I need to do is 1/3 plus 1/3 plus a half, or a half plus 1/3, doesn't matter. 1 plus a third, and then -2. So -2, close bracket. That's what I get. So shift SD, which is 1 and 5, 6. So 1, 1 and 5, 6. So now, therefore, area is equal to, which is 4.5 at 1 and 5, 6. So all I need to do, I don't need to do anything. I just put in calculator. So I just go answer, because answer is 1 and 5, 6 at 4.5 or 4.5, doesn't matter. And then give me this and shift SD. So which is equal to 6 and a third. So 6 and a third square units. So I just use square. Thank you so much for watching.